What's up guys? So, the Pixel 6 is one of the most anticipated devices of 2021. The smartphone has already seen some leaks helping us with the ins and outs. So, I decided to stack up everything we know so far about this upcoming device. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 XL will be launched in October as usual. So we're quite far away from getting the handsets in our hands. But new information about these handsets keeps popping on the internet. So, we have a few new pieces of information that reveal Google is doing some minor tweaks as far as the design at the front is concerned. Also bringing the front camera specifications in line with the best offerings from the likes of Samsung and Apple. First up, 9 to 5 Google found codes in the latest version of the Google Camera app that helps give away the location of the front-facing camera on Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 XL, and Google is moving the camera position from the left side of the Pixel 5 to the center on the Pixel 6. Not only that, the hole diameter is going to be smaller compared to last year. This should result in a smaller bezel and a higher screen-to-body ratio for the Pixel 6. This also means the time and notification indicators will be moved to the top left corner of the screen, which is the ideal position for it to be. Not just that, but the selfie camera on the Pixel 6 is also getting an upgrade. You see on the Pixel 5, the video recording from the front camera is limited to only 1080p at 30 fps. But according to these internal codes from the Google app, the recording capability will be bumped up to 4K resolution. Now, it's unknown if the selfie video frame rate will also get a boost with this change. But in any case, these are a welcome change and a much needed one in my opinion. Anyway, as per previous rumors, the Pixel 6 might also get the in-display fingerprint scanner, but no information yet on whether Google would use a proper flagship chipset such as the Snapdragon 888, or once again opt for a mid-range Snapdragon chipset, much like the Pixel 5. So, even if Google ends up using this chipset to keep the retail price of the handset low. Anyway, we recently saw the first look of the Pixel 5a, in the form of official CAD renders, and it looks identical to the Pixel 4a 5G of last year. But new information suggests the Pixel 5a's selfie camera hole punch is reportedly going to be smaller than the 4a, again for a smaller bezel and a higher screen-to-body ratio. Anyway, according to John Prosser, Google will launch the Pixel 5a on June 11th, which may seem a bit early, but it's noteworthy that the Pixel 4a launch was delayed a couple of times before getting launched in August last year. So, the launch is pretty much in line with what Google does every year. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.